Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. As we are approaching Diwali, so I would like to make this a short introduction video for Diwali. So Diwali or Deepavali, which is a festival of lights, which is coming up very soon in the month of November. So right now we are the Indian calendar shows that the Navratri celebrations will be coming on soon. So after that, it is fully blast with Diwali mood. So with that, many Indian houses will be preparing sweets and desserts, and savory and different kinds of desserts, including savory stuff, snacks and all, for this joyous occasion. So for Friday Friendly Kitchen, this year we will do as many kinds of desserts and dishes that we could do. I will be observing on the traditional desserts, especially this is a store-bought. I had some milk barfi or milk fudge, which is also like partially chocolate, and also we have almond barfi, which is almond and milk, and we also have the besan barfi or the chickpea flour barfi. Barfi are called fudge. So I will learn how to make them, pre-try them, and then I will demonstrate them with an easy and simple method. So stay tuned with that, and we shall enter into the Diwali spirit. See you soon in my next video. And also for those who are watching this, thank you very much, and please do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned. For those who have been with me, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.